Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyul Tejaswini Khare, a fourth year aerospace engineering student, and welcome to the Piyul Boss. Today I will be telling you how I got my internship in 9BRD Indian Air Force. Since I've shared my experience for the internship of my 9BRD Indian Air Force, I have been receiving a lot of questions saying how did you apply and how can we get into that. So here I am answering all your questions in one video. First of all, since you guys know, I make content regarding Indian Air Force, DRDO, and basically the space aeronautical defense field. I'm also an aerospace engineer, to be aerospace engineer. So if you want more such videos and to get updated, you can subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First and the foremost thing, getting into Indian Air Force is not as easy, but if you have a reference or a contact person, it will be easier for you to reach out to them because they do not provide internships with the help of any portals or you can say with the help of any website as such. They do not have a particular website where they take applications for that. So how I got into the internship was that my HOD sir, he took our names of few students randomly. He picked out, and to be honest, I don't know how he picked out, but he took a few names, and among them, I was also the one. So what he did was, he sent our applications, our Aadhaar card, everything, and he reached out to the BRD 9BRD in Pune, since my college is in Pune. So the nearest was the 9BRD Indian Air Force. So he contacted there. He had a reference person who was in the Indian Air Force. So like that he contacted and he gave our names and they verified our Aadhaar card, our all the background of our students. So we were 10 students who got selected, and then we went for the internship. So now if you are in a college first years, I'm not sure do they provide internship to the first year, but definitely for the second year, mechanical, computer science, electronics, then AIML, aerospace aeronautical, of course, they have different labs for that. So 9BRD is basically 9 base repair depot. That is, they have 9 different labs where the instruments and the communication instruments come for repair of the Indian Air Force, of the what you can say, the communication branch, the jets that they use, Sukhoi and everything. So one by one you go to all of them, you get a very nice exposure of what is in the new era of our defense field in India. So basically, this was the main protocol how we followed and how I got into the internship. Now, what you can do is, if you have a contact of anyone in the Indian Air Force, you can contact to them and say that I want to get an internship there, and they will help you reach out to the 9BRDs because they will also have to get contact. So the whole sole purpose and the whole sole way you can get into the 9BRDs is through your college, number one, your HODs, sir, or someone, your dean, or maybe whoever is the designated person, can message or can get some reference, and then they can go further and ask them that we have our students. Or if you personally have any contact in army, in any army personnel, any seniors or any of them, then you can go for that. But yes, make sure you have a clear background. I mean to say that you do not have any mischief done in your college and you are a good student to be overall selected for that. So this is how you can get into the Indian Air Force. And not only in Pune, BRDs are situated in Chandigarh, Nasik, Pune, and two, three more places I will be mentioning on the screen. So that is how you can apply. So at the end of the video, I would like to tell, find a reference person or go to your HOD sirs or go to the head of your department and then ask them that this is an internship which is provided by Indian Air Force and we want to apply for that. Can you get us some reference person who can do the job? So this is how you will get into that. And if you have any further more questions, you can comment down below. I always answer to all of your doubts how to do that. And if you want more such videos, you can comment down on which you would say topic or on which field do you want more videos, because I am a student, I know the reality, and I am ready to give all of you the reality check that you need. So yes, thank you for watching, and you can subscribe for more.